so box cover, we're here for another Balla review, and this time it is going to be episode 2 and 3 of season 3. So on the last episode, I was here with Keke, yes man, Christina Harris, the lady that plays the character Keke, and me and her talk about things there. And on this episode, I'm going to bring on a new cast member, but I can't tell you this, you're just going to see her right after this break. So if you're here, make sure you say go on, you subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. It is now time for the second Balla review.
Top Balla, top Balla, top Balla, top Balla, top Balla, top Balla. Score penalty and corner.
All right, so as promised, I have not one, but 2 characters from Balla. So last week, I brought on Keke. Keke, come on, man. Keke, come and make your way down. Okay, come let's go talk about things again.
Yeah.
All right? But Christina is here, and we have to go and bring on Crystal Fletcher, but we know her as Miss Buckley. Miss Buckley. Come on, man. Jesus and Queen, man. I've never say, is this Crystal here today? Nice to have you.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, God. Barry, she is not her character. She is not
This is
her
Crystal, not
character.
Buckley.
This is Crystal. This
Yes.
is Crystal.
Yes.
Hi, Christina. Me and you cool.
Yeah.
We're good. But you see over here, so you know this come like when you watch them show, then you have the angel and the devil
Yeah.
from both sides of you. Alright, just great. You're doing good, right?
Yeah.
Alright. You are okay, right? Don't even do the laugh! Me I hear it. Oh Lord! It is triggering! My earpiece, my ear comes to the laugh.
Yes.
Alright, so something that I didn't mention in the last review was that the production turned up this season.
Yep.
The production completely turned up this season, and I'm
Yep.
very much here for it because, boy, oh boy, you know, season 1 did very riggedy, you know, like we power through because we see the potential.
We
Yes.
try.
Yeah,
Yes,
man.
yes.
It was a little engine that could. I know the audio never did too something there, but the potential was very much there.
Yeah,
And I think
yeah.
that's why the fans them and the supporters them rock
Yeah.
with the show because we see where it go.
Yes.
You get me?
The story was good.
So the fact that
very
even to jump on the journey, like and see like that, women couldn't actually say, you know what? I see the show, I only believe in the potential from beginning.
Of course,
Yeah.
because Fabian Barracks is very talented. He's a talented he's writer, director, producer. And him just always produce quality. So as much as though it was our first time, understand that, you know, it can only get better from there. And as you can see, the quality got better. The actors grew, like
Yeah,
all of
yeah,
them. And
yeah.
that's to big them up for even season 3. Them come out of them shell, them comfort zone. We just have to big them up. We had faith in Barracks, and he had faith in us.
Oh, you had a PR for Barracks Entertainment?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
You share the same sentiments?
Yeah, that is true. Because the first time we hear that Fabian said that he was going to do a series. Me personally, no, we don't break the internet.
Whoa, from that point there.
From that till now,
Yeah.
even the little mishap with the audience stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know,
Things
as you
happen,
grow,
yeah,
you
yeah.
learn, but it never did stop. No.
Yeah, yeah.
What do you think about Principal Buckley? That man have a nice sound to it.
Yes.
How do you feel about your character, Miss Buckley? Like when you hear the people that say must on the road and all of these things, do you judge your character? Or you just look on her as, you know what, this woman is human, she probably got through some things.
Listen, I judge my character.
I love her.
Because up to now, I don't know why Miss Buckley is so bitter. I don't know who hurt her, but
Yeah,
me
yeah.
tell you the truth. Like, them can't tell you. I say, Buckley just bad man for nothing.
Yeah.
I say, Buckley awfully. Because she had her...
So Crystal, you know,
trust
draw
me.
from the personal side of you for pull out the thing there.
Me no bad mind. Me no have an ounce of bad mind in me. But, you know, the ratchetness, you know, every now and again, me have, like, me collect characters wherever I go and keep it at the back of my head. So
Yeah,
when it's
yeah.
time to bring out the character, I just drop up from the woman, they don't sound when they are in the
Yeah,
ear
yeah,
and I
yeah.
succumb. But yeah, I guess bits and pieces.
Yeah, I think you sit down and just say, yo, give me the bad mind energy. Bad mind energy come.
I made them tell you I was so excited for this character. I'm always I get the good girl, you know.
Okay.
But always I get the and Fabian just give me one ratchet character. I just embody her, I just love her.
Okay, so I think after you don't explain her like that, I'm gonna give Miss Buckley I'll give the character a little bit of grace, all right?
All right.
But no, we need to drop down into the episode because we're right at episode 2 and we have things to talk about.
Yeah.
So the episode picks up with Romello balling again.
Yeah.
I think that's why the show named Balla, you know. Because him always a ball. He just ball right through. Ball.
Him
I think that's why he get the role.
I'm emotional in a season 3 though.
Jesus Christ, like boy.
All I know is that they're gonna get better with time.
What do you think about the moment there with him and his father? Like, you know, it's just still weird and awkward for me. Like,
The two mate them?
The situation here come like one episode of Jerry Springer. This could have been an old Mara show.
Who is the father?
Yeah, man, it's messy.
Paternity.
This is messy. I actually think that these characters like them can actually grow for have a full and a proper father-son relationship. You think it's possible for both of them?
If DNA do with the penny, then let's see him last time penny go have. So nothing.
I don't think so.
You know the high school musical song?
Yeah.
We're all in this together. And you know. But there was something out there a while ago, you see?
Oh yeah, yes sir.
But there was the two of them that play ball with Nina, but only one of them scored.
Lord Jesus.
Very.
Where they going to the school, yeah? I just feel like that school you're haunted.
So now we're going to jump to the schoolyard scene with Tanya. Mix up Tanya. Like Tanya, I don't know, like the girl, there's something wrong with her. Like she, you sure said that your daughter? This Buckley, because honestly, I feel like maybe in the storyline, we're going to find out, say, actually,
No.
like, I'm more something, man, because she too, I don't understand how you and I agree better.
No, but you never hear she say, Senorita Buckley, we look up to you.
Yeah.
When it come on to bitterness, you're my idol. I really look up to you.
I feel like one is supposed to like, you know,
Yeah.
like just a little bit closer on that. But yes, Tanya didn't know and she had chat up the things them, right? What should I talk about again?
Should I talk about the fact, say, them gone to jail?
Yeah, so them gone to jail and all kind of stuff. And I don't know this girl, but she just, but you know, again, it kind of mean to her.
Yes.
You never did mean to her?
I
Yes.
did me.
You never did mean to her?
Yeah, we did mean to her one time. She did too enough.
Because she always a try to find
Yes,
a friend. She
and that's
try to
how we
find.
mean to her.
Yeah, because when Brandy we kick her away and she had tried.
I went
you know,
no, she just a digger.
She just want a home. She had anchor
See
room.
her there.
Oh yeah. But,
Bitterness.
Yeah. So
Bitter.
she didn't know she did with the two little skittle bombshell them. Jesus Christ. Chantel and who?
Shanique.
Girl, can't know. Them Balla granny just drop down boof and dead, so.
Shanique and Chantel, like, me don't know how them two girls can go to school and take man so.
The thoughts.
Hey.
Of
No, the
Hopkins.
thoughts of Hopkins high.
Yes.
Like this is just, it's sad when we think about them girls, they love man, you know.
You know what the truth.
Like, you know, like the character them, they're like,
The characters.
you knew girls like that when they're at school.
Yeah, and them worse than that.
No man, girls don't really, you have girls like that really well, were
Probably.
committed to man so.
Even now in a school, them
No,
the
man,
worst
no.
now.
Them troubled.
No,
Them troubled.
you're not telling me that Gen Z girl them can't stay so. May I represent for Gen Z girl
Millennial
them
girl
innocent.
too. Yeah. My time too.
Them innocent, because I know say back on a phone time, you know, them they have no panty day.
Yeah.
They don't still have that?
It's,
And no bra day.
What?
When?
Wednesdays, they don't wear bras here.
I
Yeah.
tell.
Yeah.
No, not Tuesday, but till Tuesday.
Oh, see that till the Tuesdays.
Oh no, I keep on the ears, you see? I saw the talking now and Betty said next week TVJ gonna do an exclusive report. They're gonna run in and pick them in the after tree. They say just come blow up the pick them spot now.
I mean, is that allowed?
Yeah, I've look at pick them and congregate. And all of a sudden, I just feel a spirit when I watch the show and I say something about my spirit. I give me like a little pain in my joint.
Yeah.
Something right this when we take a check. Oh,
Robo.
I want you to enter the camera and you just feel like something start to crawl. Your nerves them start to shake.
So who did they gonna misbehave drop down?
You know something I know? The ear say somebody come carry the news set.
Miss Buckley, that is what you have.
Yeah.
Come in and pick them like you don't
Have
have
to
friend in
come
the staff
talk
room.
with go. No, me don't
You don't have
no
the friend in
friend.
the staff room.
I don't like none of teacher them are Hopkins. Me hate them. Me nine them and me tin them. But don't like them because them
Keke,
bad mind.
as a teacher, you think it appropriate for the as a student at Hopkins High? You think it appropriate?
It's
to come out and
appropriate.
elaborate
It is
when you
very
pick them like that?
appropriate. It's appropriate.
You think it's appropriate?
Yes.
It's not appropriate, but because she bitter, I want the principal.
Easy.
I don't think so, no, man. Something like, you find out who hurt you? Like, who hurt the character? You
But
look
you don't
at-
hurt me. See that? The lady just bad mind me.
All right, bring it back. Crystal.
Yes.
You know what? Yes. Stop. You do not do that laugh. Because the laugh triggering. People don't understand, you know. She sound like one of the witches from out of Macbeth. The laugh literally just make you feel like bad blessing not gonna take you.
You're
I'm
right.
afraid of the laugh. But no, don't do that. You should have done something like it. No, I'm afraid of the laugh.
But part of my laugh, so you
part
go
of your
hear
laugh,
it.
true.
You go hear it.
It's triggering, man.
Alright, no laugh. Tell her that.
You have to change up. You have to do like a Santa Claus. You have to do a ho, 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 ho. Okay, so now we've gone to the classroom now. Okay, you know, say, so them do well, she and her bad friend, them do the whole of the little planning and organization and strategy. So then over there, so now, Anna talk about the fact, say, when did the hear again? When did they discuss again?
We just let out and we are think
Just
reflect
come
on
from jail.
Dan
Oh yes,
from-
when they find out, say Dan did basically selling you out.
You see the one Dan? She trying to make me see her back at school. That me I tell her.
Yeah. I mean, she there at school well comfortable.
And in the middle of that now, who gonna come in?
No Dan. Jesus.
For nerve.
Balla. I just want to say sorry for what happened to Mama B.
You know, so she don't know her place, cause in my mind, I'm like, Dan, you don't love your life. Like, you honestly don't love your life, you see a situation and you fly up, you know.
I left my scissors in her.
Nanny of the maroons is right there, so
Baby,
you know.
can nobody now move?
So you have to just bring that.
Me say that remember me them defense.
But sometimes you can't make somebody else take the lead.
No.
Something you can't make one of them, one of
Me
the other
say
friend them.
if you follow them, then
Yeah.
forgive her.
Oh, so
And
you have
jealous me I
to,
come from, you know.
you have to keep everybody else militant and firm.
course.
Yeah.
Albala himself, you know.
Yeah, Balla like me real. Balla
Him
kind
love
of
her.
Balla kind of schizophrenic, you know, cause feel emotion like me realize
Me
me
say,
fuss you
yeah.
today, but then him have a little soft heart.
Very
like,
him
come
love
back.
Dan.
Yeah.
Him must say jealous where I come from, you know. And the case not done.
But what killed me, you know, Keke character. When she there talk doing everything and Keke go say, you're not the first man.
Where you come from? You're not gonna be the first man we ever beat.
Mama beat. I mean, like, not you respecting Dan, all when you're vexed. Not you respecting Dan, all when you're vexed. I was like, there goes Keke. Politically correct, Keke. We're here for this.
And Pitney don't like but you know. No sir, come like me not teach nothing. Me not teach.
This is the staff room scene. People, the staff room scene them. Chef kiss. Staff room scene. Honestly, right now, we need that. Between the staff room now and the bathroom,
Yeah.
I remember girl get beat a bathroom and a girl get cussed out a bathroom now. So I realize say, oh, and girl get knocked a bathroom too. Boy, Hopkins going with a bag of things.
No.
Jesus Christ, we don't have a canteen. We don't even see a canteen. We don't even see a
Them not
canteen.
eat.
We don't even see. We don't even
Them
see.
not eat.
I say I'm so hungry and cross and miserable. I'm really hungry. I think that's why, man. But yeah, but so me, I'm loving the staff room seeing them. And so this scene now we have a new character where I'm filming
Mr. James.
Crystal.
Mr.
Mr.
James.
James, what kind of teacher am be?
Well, technical drawing, yeah. Technical drawing teacher.
Oh, okay. Because I think say was like a PE teacher, can look like him to PE, look like him, you know, like strong body type of sit there.
Yeah. But one personal trainer and I realize.
So in my mind, I think, a PE, technical drawing. So in jumping now, new to the show now, when me want to understand, out of everybody in a staff room, how he managed to take on the cantankerous one here.
I'm buy for lunch, man.
Oh. Your stomach's strong though. So you ready to buy from the rock canteen they don't get so?
Yeah.
Anyways, give me.
Oh, you want some?
I want it.
I'll say I chew my like it still.
I feel like him just love the little,
Yeah.
the little badness, them, the hard chase, yeah.
Like how
Like
the
the rebel.
You know when I can see him, I see him think, Balla want you, you know. Yeah. Because you're aggressive and them something, I say, I wonder if me can team and get to see our soft side.
But I think
And
so.
I think a little thing they must say, I feel like I'm me, I don't want to can jump in and just go so. You know? But are you like that in your own personal life? You think you come off as like a damsel in distress, like innocent, or you think you come across the people like somebody was strong and like you're independent and you don't need nobody?
Well, I come off as, I'm going to say strong, but definitely independent. Because of the representation in my household.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely strong and independent. But me not go like me feel like me don't need nobody. Yes, I do need people.
Oh, so you have a little soft side too?
Of course.
You have a little soft side?
Yeah, soft girl era, you know.
Oh.
Can always be big dog.
Oh, look at that. So the one have a little soft side, so the one I love out?
Of course.
The one I love out?
I love you.
You love out too?
Yes, I do.
Oh.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Someone one of a Balla.
Love is in the air.
So the people that were on the show play the miserable character, they go through all kind of warfare. When they very much I live nice and peaceful in real life.
Of course.
Round of applause for that. So now we don't really act so miserable. That is lovely. Look at that.
I'm very peaceful.
Come on, man.
Oh my God! Wow!
That is nice. That is so lovely. But anyway, we are jumping now. So the teacher come over there to you now. What make you could give the brother a little vibes? Why you feel go on so? The person that they show you one like interest.
You know, here I'm on the same pay scale and I'm not teacher, I'm have all the needs and demands.
So what kind of man, Miss Buckley, where you think like normally deal with
somebody like up there.
A man like who?
Charles.
Oh.
I that a bad mind now, fine.
No,
yes.
You know what you know?
Have husband and husband and
You know,
and the husband buy car now. Season 1 and season 2.
Yo, I don't know where the show are going on, but if Miss Buckley ever take Charles, you know, that would have been a game changer. Jesus Christ! You can't imagine?
Oh my gosh.
And Miss Buckley, Jesus! Oh Lord, honestly. Fabian, please don't do that to the show. Jesus Christ. Me know what that does, you know?
You think so?
No, I feel like that turn like Dina turn like a
super
saiyan.
I would have win the fight.
She would win the fight. I remember she's pregnant.
Oh yeah.
Dina pregnant.
No, but remember I'm super. Should I get some superhuman strength? I feel like that would have lick her chip.
Buckley, that fling her.
But that angler.
Jesus Christ.
But that angler, baby, I
You
know
really think so Miss
baby.
Buckley would have really run in Charles? You think like Keke between me and you really think so Miss Buckley?
Of course. She bad man, you know.
True,
She want everything we need to have.
No, that just changed the game now. Like, honestly, I wonder if I saw the show, man.
No, I don't know. You have to watch the show. I don't know for sure. I just script alone we get, you know.
Them not see all of the scenes, but I see all the scenes.
I don't see all of the scenes.
Thought I had my wallet. I was going to try to.
Then how much you think you could have paid me now?
Yeah.
For me tell you that.
Yeah.
You know, hear what I say?
Come on, but they have like a...
Death do us part.
Okay,
it's a marriage.
So tell me.
So you have to watch it. Okay. No. We don't know for sure.
All right.
Know.
All right, anyway, we're just going to move along now. So while they're all like a flirtation, somebody are going now, you realize Principal Jennings, one more call woman Principal Jurgens. Principal Jennings jumping now. And all of a sudden the voice change and all kind of like something because you realize that she like half a new teacher.
Mr. James, thank you for leading worship this morning. I can see that you cut off a good table.
No problem, Principal Jennings. Man, always more good enough.
You can see that.
Yeah. Like, you like him.
Principal Jennings, like before, you know, in the rest of the seasons, the woman just put up in her cubicle, down in her office, and she mind her business. But no, it look like so the heat get to her now, and she want a little. She want something on the side.
She come in a staff room, you know. First.
She might come a staff room for you. You have to go meet her. No. But you come there for the man.
Yes. It's your man do.
And so you sit down now, and I realize that Buckley go see that now, and Buckley start for max up.
Yeah.
I realize that, if the principal like after man, you know, if I bring him in on my side, something can go on.
Yeah. You have to go down.
So what's the plan?
She have to go down with it.
So what's the plan?
What the plan?
Where you go? You going to wonder
what the plan? You
know,
ever say, come here, my husband. What I say? Come here, my husband. So, want him, no?
But suppose him fall in love with you, though. Suppose him actually
legitimately. That's not film business.
So when you're
looking for good vibes, great food, and beer energy, check out the latest events happening at The Cove.
Cause I really don't want to lose you in a bit.
You're so emotional. You know me never know me that find a man for love and care for me, sir.
Yeah.
Sometimes you make me feel like me love.
You what?
Alright, so now we're gonna jump to the scene here now with Keke and Brandon, our little, what do you call that? Our little...
My love.
I mean, yeah, Smokey too.
In our rebound.
Yeah, our rebound.
Our rebound.
I'm in
our
love.
Little, you know, like a filler there?
It's my boyfriend.
You don't like when they go to a restaurant and them get a little piece of bread or sitting for us going, yeah, the little palate cleanser. That is
boyfriends.
That is Brandon, like, you know, you're hungry and your mother cook dinner, she said, go and hold a little banana chips in the meantime.
And the thief was the gas.
That is exactly what Brandon is. Brandon, and poor Brandon, you know, like, and Brandon look like he could have out the road and get any girl, you know. And Brandon settled and said, I'm going to give him heart and him soul to Keke, and Keke of the youth out there, so. That was the episode where him did a soccer fire too?
Not Jesus.
At the episode there?
Yes.
At the episode 3?
Yes.
Episode 2?
Yeah.
Episode 2?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The boy, you put out him heart and soul and you have the youth that they are suck off your toe them.
Come. Start with my toe. Kiss it.
You serious?
Yeah. Kiss it.
How do you feel, Keke?
I tell him I could take things slow.
You didn't make Balla suck off your toe them?
Never. Come to think of it.
Don't
never.
it? But at
Never.
him, that is Brandon. You take make him do all of them do something.
Yeah, you could never bring that
everything
to
but
Balla.
get the cha. She make Brandon do everything but feel.
You don't
Listen.
Him probably like clean out, do
Yes,
some out
because
the ears and them something there.
Balla hurt me, I don't understand. I don't want to go through. When I go through, I'm ready with Balla. You get me?
Yeah,
Take
take
it slow and see where things go.
Alright, so you're gonna jump to the 9-night and oh my god. First of all, we book up on what the guy name again? Andre Stevenson.
Yeah.
What is the name of film character?
Pastor.
Brothers and sisters. Yes. Mother B. Yeah. Loves of
Andre Stevens, right?
Yeah,
Andre Stevens. What's the name of his character?
Pastor.
Pastor something like that. But no man, him did.
Yeah, just Pastor.
Fabian put him in another character if you reason. Because Jesus Christ, the vice man.
Lord
Lord God. Me
The
feel one of
thing
me
with
say,
the
you know the Spartan?
Yeah.
You know the Spartan?
It
Because
sound like that,
yeah,
I
man,
think
it sound like him do this
yeah,
already.
him do it on his live and stuff, but he's not preaching.
Yeah, but the personality, like that
Him have
was
the vibe.
that was pretty impressive. That was really impressive. And I realized that he's there. What else was like a standout in the scene? Barbara, must say Teddy coming, you know, like them have a specific character like Teddy. Them have a specific character, or he was just there passing through the episode.
No,
Or
he
Miss
had
like-
lines. Yeah, that
He
specific
had,
character.
yeah, as you can see, he had lines. So it's not like he was background, he was a character.
Yeah. And the whining and the dance and all of them something. I just personally love. I like that scene, and I like the scene when I get to see the cars outside the school.
Yeah.
I love them because something kind
Really
of
glad to
show.
come out of school, you see?
You're tired of the classroom though.
Did you see like the funeral home and the arrangements and everything?
Talk about it now, man, Crystal.
Aubrey funeral
What's
home.
that sponsorship?
Yes. thank you.
Partnerships.
Yes.
Jeez,
yes.
I love that phone.
And they came through. So we had the program.
Yep.
We had, you know,
The wreaths, the coffin,
everything.
Yeah.
the pallbearers.
Felt real.
Real.
It felt real.
No, that we are
No
talking.
lie.
No, we are jump down and we are going to jump chat about the little scene there, right? They're saying that the
9 nights.
The 9 nights.
But she disappeared. You think she easy?
So people, the moment we are waiting for, because this is why I really want to jump down now. So in order to make like, everybody there, so you must see, I never know some Miss Buckley could have danced. Miss Buckley did it like Renee 6:30 or something like that.
Say,
That's
big
Buckley's
9
signature one.
Yeah, man, like run it. What them they talk
Go
about and
talk.
she run her back.
Yeah,
Run
talk
her back or say
pastor.
something. Yeah.
Yes, be a worker, they're up.
I talk about murder right there, cause like, are you gonna talk to the pastor?
No.
Because the pastor like him is a prophet.
I
Cause
don't
like
like
me,
the
I'm not
pastor.
sure what I'm, but I like when hold it, you know.
Hey,
Because
After we
when
never kill no
I tell Mr. Some foul play. Foul plays at work.
Make the preacher.
well, we'll go to another. Sit on the song, go and be yourself. So while you were there now, fully embraced in the proceedings, and you did your dance, everybody did a 9 night and all of them look something they know. All of a sudden now, what did happen make Balla go away? Or was it who stepped out? Or who stepped, Balla step out?
Yeah.
What did happen again?
And Nina upset him?
No, Nina upset him, and then the pastor. Everything that's happening
it was a lot.
just too much for him.
Yeah, same grandmother passed off, the pastor, he might deal with this now. And so so him rush out now, what make you take up on your head now and say, make me go after him?
Listen, far where I come from, I know when him sad.
Wait, hold on, Brandon is dead here?
No. Couldn't.
Oh. No, Keke sit there.
Bad.
Probably that to them say, babes, never use the bathroom. And
Yeah.
Yeah, so you go run him down now. What you feel like Keke did go like? You feel like after all of that, you still, because of what him go through, then...
Keke still are feeling same. Remember we break up fresh?
Yeah.
And it's been...
She talk about it like she really go through it, you know. She talk about it like it really good, like she really there go through it. No, true, the way you make one heavy sigh a while ago, like... You say it like you say, boy, they really take a toll upon you.
It has stressed me out. For Mama be just dead so, and then he might go through all of this, but him can't do it by himself because he's soft. You know,
clearly, not just it alone, him could do it by himself. Clearly, not just the ball and alone, him could do it by himself. Anyway, continue. So you rush out there to him now. What was your objective? What do you think was Keke's objective when she got this up? Just for make sure he's alright?
For just console him and comfort him and, talk to him and be a little pillow for him and just to be there for him. Reason with him. Tell him that things going to be okay.
And you did provide comfort.
Mercy.
You did provide comfort. And you gave another reason why they showed him Balla.
Yeah.
You were quite a dovey magnum up in that place. The two of them they attack, and all of a sudden, in the middle of the pain, is like, honey.
Yeah.
But you know, so that happens sometimes, though. That I've read. That I've read in books.
Really?
So sometimes when people are it was in the book at the Tamredcom library, and it was in Professor Trevor Scott's PhD that he wrote a study. And it was published. It was published in the Maroons and Paul Bogle there that said like sometimes when you're sad and all of these things, you have to put the energy elsewhere as a distraction. And so sometimes you can go from morning to morning. It can from more. I think that was the book they called from morning to morning. You're ready. See that? We real. We don't know like because we don't really know them something in real life. Maybe you can.
I don't like how you look. I'm just afraid you're going to do something where you're going to regret.
Yo, no worry about me here. I am man Brandon if I go worry about.
That moment come all of a sudden, Keke just said.
No, and Keke just said.
What was it about Romello touch? What's up? What bring back in at the moment?
As she made the first move to realize?
Backsfoot, yes. You are right.
Yes.
And you got trigger everything.
But you'll fight for me. Something
like
that.
Yes.
That should do.
Because when a man distracted, I'm gonna fight for the boy attention.
So hold on. You say, you wanna fight for me?
I've been there and done that. The question is, would you fight for me? Ask yourself that.
You say now go comfort
No. So when
man.
So when they say if you now come fight, what do you mean? What kind of way you say it, like you want him to do another type of...
for relationship, fight for relationship.
And
then when all him sorted Berry, but didn't expect so we don't go hug.
Really?
Yes.
And then Keke feels something brace.
And then I see him come towards me. I know some weak.
And then
to the man.
And then before them time there, you did behave yourself for a while though, right?
Yeah, me that come say, all right, Balla, I do me all of this.
So they buckle up. I like buckle up and
but
stuff.
just angry.
I said, Keke, I saw you, Keke kill coach, never realized so she not a big lad with people them 9-9.
Right now, me never business, cause it that get heated.
Wow.
And feelings, emotions, everything just poof.
But Brandon did suck off your big toe, Keke.
You know, I was thinking about him.
In doing the something there?
I feel like me that thing about him, because
Oh.
Wow.
So when me I wonder
I was
between
saying
me,
wrong.
between me and you, Crystal, me I wonder, you think say Keke are the type of person who ever actually tell Brandon we're going? Like she go to him and tell him say, yo, you know, say I slip up at this me do?
No. She not go tell him. I think she go play the game. If she
That's
if
some
she and Balla
feel.
go back,
True.
she not just play the game with the both of them.
True. I'm also feel say.
Really?
I feel we got she gonna keep it. I know we got Balla and Brandon are gonna catch up and Balla gonna boss it. You get me? I feel like I saw it might go like them. They have a little friction, and then Brandon go say something and this Balla, and then Balla say, hey, ask your girl where she did there. XX. Wow. And alright, that's how the problem come around to you now.
You know, I know you have to just watch your show.
You know, wicked to me, I'm here talking, I'm here trying.
Cause all my life you have been faithful.
Alright, so now we're gonna jump into the funeral scene. And honestly, this was just epic. That moment where Teddy character, Andre did their Faye come in with Jesus and Pim, all of that is just hilarious.
Why? Can't believe some of my favorite son-in-law granny dead. Lord Jesus, my belly bottom weak. I'm gonna drink the tea from morning. Why?
Lord, my mother, cry out here nice clean
Lord
house.
Jesus Christ.
Then maybe you stay real body, man.
Mama Somebody!
Oh my.
When everybody in the know and all it and who walking. Dandan and
She don't know time and place, you know?
She don't know time and place. She and the policeman, they don't understand themselves.
Them not understand.
Limit, no?
I can't understand the police, but when I look and I realize, I said, Dandan, you really so go on and
She
you
and
step up. And
she
then
and
she not even
Pumba.
come by herself, you know.
She a carry Pumba.
Yeah.
Never-
RTL.
Never make no sense to me. Honestly, like me, Busha did you got this and
But
really
I
just
feel
go
like
hard.
Steve never angled or him did for
Yeah,
angle.
I think Steve.
Because I see myself, I feel like I go over there, see
Yeah.
that tabo, me would deal with it.
Yeah.
I know me that just tear down the whole funeral.
You know, I love
She
Joe,
have
like,
to tell Mama be go over.
for true. You know, me love now boy with Steve, you know. So Steve, I get like a broke life.
Yes.
Like a broke life, I reach him, but I feel
God,
anti-clot, you know.
yeah.
So humbly, you know, she bring him right down, you know.
You don't understand him, so I think me not glad.
Yeah, I love that. Like, I feel like we never start to tease him because I know him take boss and him because something I can understand the different type of struggles.
Yes.
So it's going to be a different Steve.
Too rich.
Watch the show and you will know.
Oh. I'll me try the little something for
him
kind of get her
assume. Make
face.
him assume.
I'll me set things so
Make
she
him
kind of like,
assume.
yeah man.
You know me eye crystal.
I'll me try, you know. I'll me try for me to slip up.
I will get back to you generously. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Oh yeah, and then the part where fake character now I walk out and I collect. What's she collecting for herself? I feel that thiefing.
Hello.
You're all your mother.
Thank you. Next.
Sorry, Jesus Christ. The offering.
Thief.
Going in there, thief. Oh God, you have a character in them I love too. Where the woman, where the usher, the lady, the big woman.
The church sister.
Oh.
What if Lord.
Church sister.
Pat.
Lord God, Jesus Christ, I love her.
Next.
I don't have anything today.
You were in the church, I chat so much. From my you come here and chat so.
Careful, no.
Jesus Christ, like
She natural,
she really remind me of them woman
Church
that like she
people,
just
like you have somebody like she in a church.
naturally just have it.
For true.
Oh my God, like I just love the character. But like honestly, like we can't stop saying like is Barbara good on set?
Yeah.
Like Barbara, like cause I'm so impressed like the fact say she jump in from social media and actually commit herself to actually being an actress.
To be
that
honest,
now me look on her now and me respect her as an actress. No.
I love her. I enjoy working with her. You want to shoot scenes and stuff because we not just at work, we enjoy ourselves. She have a joke in between, we are shooting her. She a kill with joking about it. Trust me, she's very good. I love her.
So yeah, then so we're gonna jump to the part now quickly. The scene where Tessie Daddy wait for Stephen for come there, cause I guess they were supposed to have a date. And my boy, I'm not the money now, so you know, boy, I have to take bus, I guess, so I reach late. And so while they're now, what the waiter boy? We're played by Lando.
You see a beautiful girl like you. I mean, I have to make myself available?
Well, I'm quite fine. I'm actually waiting on my boyfriend, so.
Excuse me? I don't care have boyfriend or butt. So what that mean? Can't be a side man.
Lando, by the way, Lando is good.
He really
Lando is a pretty brilliant actor.
Yeah.
Like, I have to go and say that. Like, big up Lando. I just love to see when the online people them transition. I see how them do so well. That was great, man. And yeah, so him jump in now. He might try to flirt with Tessie. Tessie just kind of just ignore him and all kind of something. Yeah, but eventually the Dutty Inspector Lawrence, him jump in now. Detective Lawrence, like him just he might make me skin a crawl every time I jump up now. He just have the I just don't want him do anything like super bad. But him jump in now, antagonize her, him go away, Stephen come in. Yeah. Talking about people selling out, so it's not done. So you have a problem with your crew, you have to get your crew together, man, Keke. Because right there, so now, when Keke was there, not Keke, Tessie dead here now, and Tessie, after the inspector, they come tell her about the whole entire case. She actually tried now for to sell out Stephen. I'm going to record the whole of that now for to bring him in now.
But I'm glad Stephen turned it around Panarba.
Yeah.
Look. Honestly, I feel like you shouldn't have stabbed Ricky because of that did kill him.
Me? Tessie, if you get you ram the knife through the man.
No, I never.
And I first never see you like that.
Could have been like.
What are we go down?
But then it don't surprise me because that's the weak fence, you know.
Yeah, that's why I'm always try go towards she and go for she because sister she weak. From in the station, him sister. Alright, she had the weak one, can bust them through she. See, she nearly give away in the station.
Yeah. She not
have the stop nobody.
So moving forward, it appears that Tessie might slip up.
She not slip up under my government.
Not under Keke government. Crazy.
Okay, you see how she go start front of
Tessie?
You see how if Buckley go start front of Tessie?
Remember
the right way.
Policeman we know, inspector upon me. This is everybody down on the forum.
Yeah. Move to the next scene. Now Stephen gone out with Lando character, which is
Clive. Yeah.
And then now them go presents, Balla. Balla after do one edutainment, so they have to educate while they entertain. Yeah. And so now the theme was bring up Molly.
Yeah,
use of drugs.
Drug use. So Steve character, right, like was presented with the Molly for use by Clive, and they had a strip club now, and I said basically you can get a little BJ for $500 with I don't know what kind of link that like that is quite a discount. Yeah, because based on what I read, the price is not that.
Yeah.
You have the same books that we talk about, man.
Yeah.
I never see that book.
The
books them, man, they're about, man. Nobody can read it. They're on a teen home.
Okay. See it here.
All right, so him end up take one wine from one of the stripper. They might look like say Stephen might give
Tessie Bond, yeah.
But and again, at the end of the day, I can't blame him because he was under vibes. It's not him. He's not his real
It looked like a Clive called the girl and say, "Come just."
Wait, so him they get it? Him they get the little.
It didn't look so. Him get it. I'm not even sure. But I know if I press him, no man, the girl come over for true.
Oh wow.
She did come over. She was on top of him.
Oh, okay. For $500, that's a deal. That's that.
Him cheap and Tessie.
No, Anyway, can we move? One like a highlight scene quickly, but I forgot to talk about the scene where Nina and Charles gone at the checkup. They check up now, and that woman down there. So Jesus, you sure say no one of your sister now?
Was she
like
see first? See
like
for the third time?
You sure say no one of your sister?
So Cephas, you really not come again, Cephas? At the third apartment is Jamis now. The third apartment. Come like me bring myself in there.
Like I'm a cousin.
What's your name again? Fabia. Big up Fabia. Yeah. Fabia, you did.
But still, do you tell about Charles? How Charles character going like him know everything and him good? Because you're running and talk about some man not take up them responsibility.
Yeah.
You see what I tell about Charles still?
Yeah.
Anyway, but just don't talk right there, so you know. But before I forgot to touch upon the character, the new character in the episode, Trey.
My girl, you know, say me a big man for you, right?
What about that? Me like big man.
Trey, right? Him coming on the show now, and me I wonder where he's going to kind of fit in. But must say him take a spot, him take a interest with Tanya.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And the girl them love him off.
Yeah, girl them love him off for all kind of things now. So me I wonder what kind of but Trey seem like him gonna cause problem in people's life. Him seem like him not really want nobody specific. Him just want mess up situations. So me I wonder if him gonna make him way around over a year or so. Him just seem like somebody who just want to create mischief.
Him where we are here?
Yeah, around here so.
In all honesty, I feel like Trim look good.
Yeah.
Chantel and Shani, it's the new kid on the block.
New kid on the block and them love him
But
off.
at the same time, you know, you notice them get two different numbers though.
Yeah.
They never catch that, you know?
Him give them a different number, give Tanya him right number.
So him give one number like 8510000,
Yeah,
and then him give Tanya the
correct
correct number.
You know, so they want to show that in the show though, because I feel like some of them Balla watchers, they call the number, you know.
Yeah, the number.
But you them put it in the
comments.
comments.
Feel like them
So
call.
they put it in the comments. They did. They put the first number in the comments.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. So, I like so that character is there now. I just boy them two girls, them two Chantel and
Shani.
Shani. Once again, I bring out the bathroom like God. I feel like they might have a transformation. They need for that church to test you 1 week. Like honestly, they need for us. Oh no, need for rest on the front.
And they're natural.
Rest on the.
They're so natural. Like
No,
in
in
terms
real life?
of
Them naturally.
No.
Oh, them
create,
you see the dialogue.
Oh,
The dialogue is so nice. Like I love watching them.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you weren't in this character, would you like the challenge of taking up the character like that? Would you be okay with like if you could have like swap out characters for a day?
Yeah.
Would you
Think
like
should I
that?
do well with that?
Yeah. You don't like that? You don't like that challenge stuff like?
Yeah. It would be a challenge, but yeah.
I don't think it. Alright, for me.
Yeah. Okay.
My role just me fit in any role.
Want to actually like a Spanish show?
Yes.
Oh.
They have to.
Oh. Does Miss Buckley have a kissing scene?
You do?
Miss Buckley have a kissing scene coming up shortly, right?
I don't know if you just watch the show.
With the new teacher?
Teacher will get all of the script.
Boy,
The
we get
teacher
to
will
me.
like.
Well, we're gonna just end with this last question. If you could jump into another character on the show and play another character, which character you don't want to take on? Like, yeah,
Buckley.
not as key. You don't want to try Buckley. And for you,
Oh my gosh.
which character you
We
don't
would
like?
have to probably think
favorite
Buckley.
character now.
Yeah, which character
Oh
you
my
don't want
gosh,
to
oh my
like
gosh, oh my
jump
gosh.
into?
Oh my gosh. Principal. Jenny.
Oh, you don't like for like, yeah. Vibes. But anyway, that is it, you know. Thank you so much to Nina, Jesus Christ.
Hey, no, but
But anyway, we've come to the end of this review. Thank you so much to Miss Buckley over here, aka Crystal Fletcher, and Keke over here, aka real life name as Christina Harris. Okay, I really appreciate you to come out here and come do this, you know, because honestly, I so wanna do. I mean, I try to share my platform with phone platform so that more people can check out the show, and that by season 4, we can set the cast like all a tech trip, Ghana hotel. Gone out we all soon have like one whole entire Knoxford, I go to town, like a someone things kind of elevate and stuff. Yeah.
But see we self on a jet.
Yeah.
So about Hollywood or Dubai, Bali.
So corporate Jamaica, may I tell you, please support the production. To the supporters of the DuttyBerryShow, just keep on, you know, supporting me, like, comment, and share. I have to go and dig up the Cove at 3 Winchester Road for, you know, accommodating me. Make sure you come and stop over, and I'm gonna make sure I put up the flyer them right here. Because I say every weekend there is an event happening here. And if you want the best jerk chicken and festival, one place for relax and dine, come to the Cove. That's 3 Winchester Road, right in Kingston. You can't miss it, right on the same road that Winchester Business Center is on. All right, so take care until next time for another review of
Balla.
Balla.
That's it. Top Balla.